Sound problem. What's up, guys? If you have sound problem on Duolingo, I will show you how to fix it. Let's start. Open the settings of your device. Click next on apps option and right now search for Duolingo and click on Duolingo when you will find it. Go guys, right now click add storage option, click clear cache right now. After that back, click on force stop here, click OK. So you should go to Play Store or App Store, update Duolingo, restart your mobile phone when you finish, and that's it. Don't forget to like and subscribe in, and see you in another tutorial.